open you other one now.
Yeah.
There's more stockings in you.
Yeah.
More stocking stuff? Maggie can help too.
Can I open one? Can I open one from now?
No, let Amber open it. It's her stocking. You had the whole stocking.
I'm like, what did you say?
This stuff smells so good.
Was it? Santa did a good job picking that out, huh?
What are you doing?
I think there's more stockings in here.
Yeah.
More stockings inside. There's no more stockings.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey, Evelyn. What do you got?
Thank you.
One for Mama. What else? This is for Joy. What is this? And I got this. Look, I
Did you
got
get that too?
this.
I think this one's yours.
This is it. Looks good. I got the blue. This is my favorite.
Bubbles.
Yeah, I like bubbles. That's what I can do.
What are you doing?
How's it going over there?
Good.
You helping
Thank you.
Amber?
Tell Santa they said thank you.
Mom, you know what?
What's that?
There's no more presents for Mama.
There's no more presents for Amber? Maybe she has one under the tree. Do you think Santa would have brought her a present?
Yeah, I'm going to take.
You know, leave the door closed for now.
There's one over there for me.
How do you know?
I have it.
How do you know? How do you know it's for you? It has an S on its package? It's not. Well, maybe Santa doesn't bring Star Wars packages. Maybe he just brings Christmas presents. You're going to open it anyway?
Yeah. Open your presents in here.
In there?
Okay. There's the magnetic bin.
Yeah, well, we'll bring our...
I need to find another S.
We need to find another S?
This one says this.
Why don't you find all the S's on it?
I don't know.
Well,
This one is
All right, why don't you put all the S's in the corner? Why don't you put all the S's over in the corner?
This one says S.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you go put all the S's in the corner?
I need to find an S.
Make sure she doesn't eat that plastic. What's on the...
No.
Oh, okay.
No. No.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you putting the trash, Jess?
There was a bag right on the chair there.
This isn't this, Mama.
Does that say an S?
Yes, it says, wait.
Uh-huh. There's a big S. All right.
S is a basket.
Uh-huh.
And S is a basket.
Oh, my gosh. Are you sure all our friends are yours?
No, these
Wow. Those are all yours?
are mine.
Oh, my
Open
goodness.
them?
Hold on. Wait. Hold on. What are you doing? We're going to bring them out in the living room and open them, Sebastian. What'd you get? Who's it from? Read the front. Let's see who's it from. Who bought you that? Let's read the front. What does the front say? Turn it over real quick. Turn it over on the other side. On the other side. On the paper. It says, to Sebastian, love Maggie. Oh, Maggie got this for you. Wow. What is that?
A gun.
Can I see, Kent, what kind of gun it is? Wow. How do you like that gun?
Awesome. It's the one I have.
Yeah? Is it the one you have? It looks really cool, though.
I'm going to open my own.
You are? Yeah. Oh.
Awesome.
You like that? Why don't we bring the rest of the presents out in the living room? Can you bring his, let's bring your other S's in the living room. So we can,
Sebastian.
do you like that toy?
Yes.
Santa said he knew you liked that toy.
Let's call our friends. I should like to speak at the tango. Would you help me find out? Goodbye.
That's awesome. Okay, let's bring our presents out in the living room. You like that toy?